How's it going, guys? Today I decided to try something a little different. Since I was running NiceHash on this computer, I decided to try out EthOS again. And I've actually been, it's not currently running. I just got it reinstalled on, well, actually on an SD card. So there it is with this little adapter. And I kind of wanted to see if it would work and how well it would work. And honestly, so far I would not recommend it because, not necessarily EthOS, just running it on an SD card. Because it's really not wanting to update. It's having a lot of problems with it. I was reading some stuff online about some people having problems with it updating on a slow, like a USB 2.0 drive. And obviously an SD card with an adapter would be even slower. So if you're going to try it, make sure you do it with a faster device, which I think should probably be obvious. I just want to see if it would work or not. Anyway, so these are not currently running. You can see they're not even spinning right now, the fans, because it's not even connected at the moment because I've just been having issues with updating it. So I'll probably just have to, and part of the reason I did that was I just have other operating systems installed on almost all my flash drives. So I got to empty those off of there and then I'll try it again. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, or at least check back tomorrow, because hopefully I'll have this up and running tomorrow. I mean, hopefully a little bit later this evening, but I'll just make a video about it tomorrow. So thanks you guys for watching, and make sure you leave a thumbs up. You know, this one wasn't super educational, other than just don't use an SD card with an adapter to run EthOS. So thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.